I started looking at different colleges and I was drawn to CHCP. My name is Carenda and I'm enrolled in the Surgical Technology program. The most rewarding part of being in the Surgical Tech program for me was when I was out at clinicals. And I did my clinicals at one of the very well-known hospitals here in Houston. Standing in an operating room and looking at cardiologists, cardiac surgeons, and knowing that I am here because the College of Healthcare Professions have afforded me the opportunity to be here, holding a heart 3 different times was wonderful. Being in an operating room where I'm helping to deliver a baby, as a C-section is being performed. I really love the instructors here. It was like I felt like I had somebody to kind of take my hand. I didn't feel like I was, kind of just pushed off the deep end into the program. They took their time with me. And what I love about Career Services is that once you're at the ending of your program, they're there to kind of, let you know we've got connections with, different facilities and, we know how to network and get you guys employed. I think that's something that other colleges don't offer, to have that access to Career Services where, you're in need of employment, you can always come back to where you started and get that help. That was amazing. Those are opportunities I would not have gotten had I not come here to College of Healthcare Professions. So wonderful, wonderful experiences that I've had in the operating room from being here.